Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to mute audio from video in Capcut. The process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your Capcut application and import your video in Capcut on which you want to mute audio by tapping on this import icon. The next thing is tap on your video and drag it to the timeline of Capcut and drop here. Now here you can see audio file of my video and I want to remove this audio. So how can I do it? Take your mouse on video and do a right click of your mouse. And here you can see the option Extract Audio. Tap on it, because for removing audio from video, first we have to separate the audio file from the video. And you can see by doing this method, I separate the audio files from my video. Now there are two ways by which you can mute audio. The first one is, here is the icon speaker. Simply tap on it and you can see the audio file has been muted from my video. And the next way is you can delete this by tapping on this audio and do it right click of your mouse and tap on this delete. Then the audio file will be deleted from your video. It was a primary way by which you can mute audio from video in Capcut.